One of the greatest mathematicians who ever lived put a $500 bounty on a mathematical problem. And 80 years later, AI said, hold my beer, and proved him wrong. And here's the problem, I'll explain it. There were dots that were put on a page and you had to connect every pair exactly 1 unit apart. And what arrangement gives you the most lines? Paul Erdős believed the answer would always behave roughly like a square grid. And for almost 80 years, nobody could prove it until OpenAI came along. And it looked at it and said, well, what if the grid is wrong? It left geometry and put in an algebraic number theory. And it used a high dimensional number field and projected them back into the grid. And humans checked this and it held. Now, here's the part that everyone's missing. The mathematical ingredients weren't secret. They were already there and published elsewhere. The root looked wrong and it crossed specialist fields. But a human would try to follow this chain and just get lost in the data. And effectively, the model could stay there. 7 days later, human researchers used the same underlying idea and disproved another major conjecture. So this isn't a story about AI becoming creative and being the all-seeing eye. It comes from all of us having an attention deficit. And it starts searching effectively where no career, no department, no funding committee would ever justify looking. The real breakthrough may not be artificial intelligence as we know it, but artificial attention. Attention to continue to look where we as humans lose interest or can't follow a chain or can't connect the dots outside of what we're doing. AI isn't just extending thinking, it's joining up thinking beyond the boundaries that we all understand.
Certainty is a competitive advantage. We sell it. Intelligence for companies entering regulated industries.